Hello everyone and welcome to DelftStack. In this video, I will show you how to instantly clear all the text inside a file without actually deleting the file itself. So this is super useful for clearing out old logs or restarting a configuration. So the process is extremely straightforward. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So first, let's create a file with some random text in it so I can show you exactly how this works. So what you'll do is open your terminal by pressing Ctrl, Alt, and T on your keyboard. And then we will use the echo command to create a file named text file with some random words inside. So directly copy and paste the command you can find in the description box below, and then hit Enter. Echo, quote, this is some important text that we want to delete, quote, greater than sign, testfile.txt. So now let's verify the text is actually there by reading the file. So again, copy the next command, which is in the description below, and paste it right over here. Cat testfile.txt. And over here, you should see the sentence printed out on your screen. So now for the trick. We want to empty this file completely, bringing its size down to 0 bytes, but keep the file name existing. So we do this by using a simple redirection symbol. It looks like a greater than sign. So again, copy and paste the command, which you can find in the description box below, greater than sign, testfile.txt, and it'll look something like this. Now there's one thing that you should always remember is to always enter the text file that you want to change. This is the text file that I'm changing because I created this for an example. You have to enter your own text file that you want to make the modifications in. So now just simply hit Enter. Now it looks almost too simple, right? But that little symbol tells Ubuntu to redirect nothing into the file, effectively wiping it clean. So now let's check the file one last time to make sure it's actually empty. We will use the same command again. You can paste the command right over here, the same one that we used to read the file previously. So just hit Enter. And when you hit Enter, you will see absolutely nothing. No text, nowhere. That means the file exists, but is completely empty. So that's it. You now know how to clear text in a file instantly using a command line. So I hope you find this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.